and welcome to my wardrobe. My name is Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. You can get it on Amazon, paperback, hard copy, and Kindle. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I've been talking about spring cleaning because, hello, it's spring, so exciting. And here is the cold, hard truth. If you are in the habit of decluttering on a regular basis, every day, it really makes spring cleaning so easy. Because then all you're doing is pulling things out of the cupboard, wiping the cupboard, putting things back in the cupboard, and maybe straightening it up just a little bit. Or brainstorming new ways to keep it organized or, make it pretty. So I spring cleaned my closet, I think last week. It took me minutes. And it's because I declutter every day, all day long. So if you think about your home and the plethora of things you have and you're thinking, oh my goodness, the thought of decluttering is, I dare say, overwhelming, then just do it every day. Every time you pick up an item or put on an item, just ask yourself these very important questions. Do I love it? Is it useful? Does it fit? Have I used it? And that's just going to help you every day, all day long, including when you do your spring cleaning. So I know I'm just going to talk briefly about one of my favorite products, and this is the reason why. My husband and I have been looking for a place to live, which is stressful. Any change in our life or our routine is stressful to humans. We're just creatures of habit. That's the thing. So, anytime we're under stress, you may feel like you need more support. And I have this product called Progessence Plus. I call it Save the Hubby Serum. And 2 weeks ago, this bottle was empty, getting toward the bottom actually, very seriously. And I said to my husband, watch yourself. Just be very careful because I don't have support right now. I always know when I need support when I start getting upset at my adorable, sweet husband. When I maybe feel like I'm getting offended at everything he says, that tells me maybe you need some support. Or it just combative. Of course, we're under stress, so there's that. But sometimes we need support. So even I got this back in the mail, and I'm like back on track. The difference is night and day. Seriously. So if you are a woman and you feel that way, I mean, we're all under stress. Changes mean stress. And if you feel like you just are kind of lashing at the sweetest person in your life, then you may need support. And it's never been easier to get support. So this is called Save the Hubby in my mind, for a very, very good reason. So Judah is safe. The bottle is full. We're back in business. So I'm just here to encourage you to declutter every day with those questions that can just make your life so much easier. Do I love it? Is it useful? Does it fit? Is it beautiful? And I wish you a happy spring cleaning season. There is a link in my bio if you need help getting Save the Hubby. I'm here to support you, support him. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.